Hey scholars, this is how to open your this week's assignments. So go to the week of August 31st and click. Here's your assignment. Where is here? Analyze craft and structure. Go ahead and click there. The chart is right here in a PDF version. You can go ahead and click it, and then it'll download it to your computer. Once you have it downloaded to your computer, go to your Google Drive. Remember, we talked about Google Drive earlier in the week. Locate your English folder and drag and drop that file right here. A little box will pop up and show you that it's downloaded. There's your file. Go ahead and double click. Remember, when you have a PDF file, you need something to help you type on it. So we'll go up here to open with. Go down to Doc Hub. And there's your assignment. Go ahead and begin. You can go over here and you can click the alphabet tool, and it'll allow you to go ahead and start typing. Once you're done, go ahead and download your assignment to your computer. Click download. Go back to your assignment, and there will be a submission button on this side, located on this side of your assignment. You'll put your assignment right there and submit it to me. If you have any questions, let me know.